Hello again, fourth graders. If you've watched the two previous videos, we were looking at hot and cold water. We used blue dye to represent the cold water and red dye to represent the hot water. Now we want to talk about hot air. Here I have a toaster, and this is my hot air balloon. I created it out of cardboard and an old tablecloth, like a little plastic one for a birthday party. I'm going to press the button here, and what happens when you press the button on the toaster? You'll have some hot air coming out. It's just heat. It doesn't have any force behind it. It's not like someone's blowing up a balloon or using a hairdryer. It's just slowly getting warmer. The coils warm up, they turn orange, and that hot air has to go somewhere. Here we go, let's see what happens. Might take a while. So you have time to write down a hypothesis if you haven't stopped the video and done that yet. Your hypothesis is your prediction of what you think is going to happen. You think back to the science that you know, the life experience that you have, and imagine, where is that hot air going to go? What will happen? What will we see? You can draw a picture or write in words your hypothesis. There's a little bit of crackling I hear. And over the top I can see something starting. Do you see anything yet from your angle? Might have to be very patient. Anything yet? I can tell you it's getting hot. That part's working. I can feel the heat on my face. And soon you might see something too. It's growing. Where is the, oh, it popped. Where is that hot air going? It might all escape now, but it doesn't want to escape down, so I'm okay opening the bottom. It wants to escape up. It wants to rise. The hot air rises. Just like in our water that was hot, that experiment, the hot water went to the top. That red hot water was at the top of the bucket when we did the bucket experiment. The red hot water stayed at the top when we did the glass jar experiment. And here again, the heat rises to the top. The heat filled up our old plastic tablecloth and made it rise. Can you think of some examples of where you see that happening in the world around you? Maybe right in your own home? It also might start to burn here too. So I'm going to go ahead and sign off and see you all later. Thanks for joining us.